Los Angeles, California. With a growing economy based on shipbuilding, manufacturing, and the film industry, Los Angeles became a major draw, especially during the second wave of migration from the 1940s to the 1960s. South Central LA became a thriving Black community, and the city later played a major role in the development of hip-hop and Black activism. Cleveland, Ohio. A major industrial hub, Cleveland offered work in steel mills, automotive plants, and chemical factories. The city's Black population grew rapidly, creating tight-knit communities that supported Black businesses, churches, and social organizations. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. As one of the oldest and most historically significant cities in America, Philadelphia provided opportunities in the textile, railroad, and shipbuilding industries. By the mid-20th century, the city became home to one of the largest Black populations in the North, with thriving cultural centers and civil rights activism. Oakland, California. During World War II, Oakland became a prime destination for Black workers looking for jobs in shipyards, warehouses, and transportation. The city later became a key center for Black political movements, including the rise of the Black Panthers Party in the 1960s. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Known for its steel industry, Pittsburgh attracted thousands of Black migrants looking for industrial jobs. The city also became a major center for Black jazz musicians, with legends like Billy Eckstine and Mary Lou Williams shaping the city's vibrant music scene. Life in the North, better, but not perfect? Leaving the South didn't mean escaping racism. In the North, Black families faced housing discrimination, redlining, and overcrowding. Landlords charged high rents for poor housing, and banks denied mortgages to Black families in white neighborhoods, keeping them trapped in underfunded areas. Jobs were limited and unequal. Black workers were often given the lowest-paying, most dangerous jobs. They earned less than white workers and were the first to be laid off. Families were torn apart. The migration separated relatives who once lived close together, making it harder to maintain strong support systems. Well, that's a wrap, history seekers. If you found this story compelling, explore more untold truths in our full playlist, The 400-Year Journey from Africa to America. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and join our email list to stay connected. Thanks for watching.